Dear friends, welcome back to Data Analytics Talks. Today I have a requirement, what I need is I need to add upload date. Of course, they are not part of the actual Excel. So I will remove this from here. So we only have the similar way state, rural and urban. So during the data load, I have to add the upload date. Okay, so let me disable this view. I will again disable these. So there is something called a derived column. Okay, we have a derived column. I just reset the connector. So now let me connect the derived column to my DB. So clicking on the derived column, we can say upload date, add a new column. What should be the function? So I can say get date. So it will automatically pick the date time as a type. So you can think about any kind of transformation like derived column. You can derive column from functions, functions with a combination of your variables or columns. There is a lot of string function. If you want to add, you can do that. Then we have the casting. If you need to cast your data into other data types, then many other operations are supported. Add, concatenate, subtract, negate. All this kind of transformation is supported at this level. For me, I need to create a new column. Even I can replace an existing column, right, with this new value. So you can see all these columns available, and you can see any system variables or like your user defined variables. So with any combination, you are able to create a derived column. So we have discussed about derived columns and additional script component in this session. So I click OK. So what I did is I created an upload date as a current date. Okay, then I need to update my mapping. So we have a new column that is upload date. It will go to the upload date. Let me click OK. Okay, so we have done the derived column and the script component. So let me execute this again, package. See how this is now completed. Let me go back to my database. So I should have all 4 columns, right? So now you can see how the new records are having the upload date and the serial number. I hope you have understood how to use a script component and a derived column in your data flow. Okay, thank you.